In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel spreadsheet into a PowerPoint slide, specifically using PowerPoint 2010. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, academic presentation, or personal project, integrating data from Excel into PowerPoint can really enhance your presentation's effectiveness and clarity. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have your PowerPoint 2010 application ready to go. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you're working on or start a new one where you'd like to add the Excel spreadsheet. This way, you can seamlessly integrate your spreadsheet where it best complements your presentation narrative. Next, you'll want to locate the Insert tab in the PowerPoint toolbar, which is usually along the top of your PowerPoint window. By selecting the Insert tab, you're accessing a variety of tools and functions that allow you to add various elements to your slides, including charts, images, and of course, objects such as an Excel spreadsheet. Now that you've clicked on Insert, you'll see an option to include different types of objects. In this case, you're looking for the Object button. Clicking on this will open up a new dialog box offering several options for how you can add content from other programs. Here you want to select the option labeled Create from File. This is an important step as it allows the embedding of existing files rather than creating something new from scratch. Once you've selected this, you'll need to click on the Browse button. This action will open a File Explorer window that will let you search through your computer files. The goal here is to locate the Excel file you wish to import. Navigate through your folders and find the exact spreadsheet you want to include in your PowerPoint presentation. Once you have that file selected, click on OK, bringing you closer to embedding it into your slide. Before finalizing the import, notice the option to display as icon. Checking this box provides a neat and tidy way to include your spreadsheet as a clickable icon rather than displaying all its data directly on the slide. This can be particularly helpful for large spreadsheets or when your presentation is already saturated with details. After you've opted to display as an icon, or if you've decided against it, go ahead and click OK one more time. This final confirmation will embed the Excel file into your PowerPoint slide, allowing you to manipulate its placement and size as needed. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully imported an Excel spreadsheet into your PowerPoint 2010 presentation. This method will help you smoothly integrate data presentations, enhancing both the utility and professionalism of your work.